Hey, good afternoon. I decided to do something a little different. So here's what I'm going to do. Um, I'm only going to give you each day. So in the mornings, hopefully, I'll get these to you. I think I'm going to record all these, and then each morning I'll add for each day. So it doesn't get confusing that, what did Miss Ugaldi say for this day or for this day? Today, all you're getting is Monday. I am going to go through the math, though, in the packet for you. In fact, let me do that right now. So the math, let's see, it starts here. So it's going to ask you to play some games and games of the week. There's Salute, and on your packet, there's a little link that gives you the place to go on here. I'm also going to, I think I might add these links on um, after I post this video. I'll add the math links to the games because on the at the end of the math, it gives you a place where you can a link to see all the videos of all the math games. This is third grade 101 and you're out. Okay. Um, this one's a little bit tricky, so you kind of have to watch how to play this one closely on the video. So that's two games. So Salute and 101, 101, and you're out. And then we have Let's Move in Math Activity. So for an example, see picture of the Tolles family showing the answer for 10 take away 5. 10 take away 5 is 5, right? So they are using balance points, 5 feet and one hand to make 5. So 5 feet and one hand. And third grade problem is 20,568 subtract 20,562. When you get the difference here, then you make that number with a point. So 4 feet and 5. So figure out what that uh, answer is and then make your points showing. This one here is problem of the week. So you have two problems here, and you're going to use this box to figure it out. Before solving, what do you know? What do you need to find out? You can draw a picture, model, or make number. Solving, show one way to solve, then show a different way, and explain your solution using models and words. How do you know the answer is reasonable? Okay, so make sure you're looking for you at your grade. You're doing your grade problems. If you want to do kind of push yourselves, do fourth grade, maybe even fifth grade problems if you'd like to try those. Here's third grade. Okay. So you're doing multiplication and division and then multiplication. So as I'll give you the answer for this first one. 45 divided by 9. 45 divided by 9. I would say it's 5. Let's see. Is 9 times 5 45? Yep. So I know that's right. If these two match, then you know you have the right number that you're looking for. Try the fifth grade or fourth grade. Try the fifth grade if you think you can do it. Okay. Don't have to. You just only responsible for third grade. And then we have mental math. Solve each problem in your head. So not on paper and pencil, in your head. And then you need to go to a page that's called Show What You Know. And I have it right here. Show what you know. What activity did you use? Did you do? So this was one of the activities, third grade. And here's the box that you can pick ones. And it has for each day, here's day 1, which is today, May 4th. Day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. And it's asking you, what activity did you choose to do today? Show your work below. What were you successful at this activity? Why do you think you were successful? And if you weren't successful, you can say that too. What was difficult about this activity? How did you persevere? Okay. So, and then like I said, at the end of the math, there is a link that shows you all the different games that there are, but I'll try to add those links on for you. Okay. So let's go back to this week 4 distance learning outline. And so today, this is all you have to do for today. Remember, I'm just going over Monday. Tomorrow I'll give you Tuesday, Wednesday, I'll do that. Thursday, I'll send this to you. And Friday, I'll send this to you. Okay. So Monday, today, the first thing you need to do is SEL activity. Create a list of things that make you special. So one of the things I put is I am kind. Okay. I could also put I crochet. Some of you you can put some of the talents that you had at the talent show, like riding bikes or playing the piano that you blow into, um, different things like that that you can put. So make a list, at least do 5. I think do 5 things on your list. Okay. For reading, you need to read 30 minutes and complete the reading log, right? And then add one from your reading. If you come across a word that you're, wonder what that word is. Use it for this part for vocabulary. Add one word to your personal dictionary. Okay. Read the mentor narrative journal entry in the packet. So you're going to be reading this in your packet. There's just a little bit of a reading section right here. So this is what you read, and it's going to kind of give you an idea what you're supposed to be writing in your journal. Okay. And so today you're going to read that. Then you're going to choose a character from one of the books that you have been reading. Plan and write a journal. We're still on Monday. Entry on a piece of paper or on the computer. So you're going to start to get, you're doing your rough draft, basically. You're going to start to write down the idea, think of a character. You're going to read that one section. You're going to think of a character like, if I had just finished reading Charlotte's Web, then I would take on the character of Charlotte and maybe a dialogue of talking to Wilbur. Okay, so I'm going to get that all set up. I'm going to be writing that down. This is what I'm going to be. Oh, I'm going to talk about this one part in the book and have a dialogue. Remember, dialogue has the quotation marks. That means somebody's talking. So there needs to be dialogue in your entry. Okay, so that's all you're doing for today. Just that, figuring out what you're going to do, doing the rough draft. For math, choose one or more of the following: a game, an activity, a word problem, or independent practice to do from your level. So all that I showed you, you're going to pick one of those to do today. And here is this was the same from last week. So choose a square and you're trying to make a kind of like a bingo. So you're trying to make a row a horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. Okay. And that was it for math. Science. Start by drawing a map of the area you see. Include mountains, buildings, water sources, roads, or whatever else you see. So you're going to be going outside and looking around and drawing what you see, the scenery that you see. Okay, that's all you're doing for science today. That's it. Music, Connect Four, and it's the same page that we had last week. Okay, so you're going to be connecting four. So you're going to look at these and figure out which you'd like to do. Like the first one is watch someone perform a song in person or use YouTube. Write down 2 to 3 suggestions that can help them improve their performance in the future. So give uh, a comment, uh, some constructive criticism. It's what it's called. It's not you're saying, oh, you're bad. Ugh, yikes. No, you're saying, oh, man, that sounded great, but you know what would make it sound better? And so give them some ideas that would make it set down some ideas that would make it be better. Okay. So that's your Connect Four for music. Um, And then for social studies, draw some pictures of different weather that we have here in Nevada. Okay, and then your day's done. That's all you have to do for today. Okay, so to recap, the SEL starter, where you're writing a list of things that make you special. I asked you to write at least 5. Read for 30 minutes and jot it down in your reading log. Take a vocabulary word from that from what you read that you didn't know. Write that down. Read the mentor narrative journal that's in the packet. This one, okay. Read that one, and it gives you an idea of what you're going to need to be doing the rest of the week. And then you're going to pick a character from a book. And like I said, Charlotte from Charlotte's Web, but you pick any other book that you've been, think about that character and think about how it could match the dialogue going on here. Or this is the way yours should be looking. This is from somebody else's book. You're picking from your book and your characters, and you're going to end up writing it like this. So all you're doing is right now thinking about all the character and how you're going to write that out during the week. Okay, rough draft. That's it. For math, it was choose one of the things that I talked to you about, one of the games. For science, it's about drawing what you see, the scenery outside, mountains, buildings, and I'll be putting this paper so you can see all these too on a link. Play Connect Four, and we had that already. This is the math one that you're connecting, and this is the Connect Four for music. Okay. Connect Four for music. And then social studies, draw some pictures of different weather that we have here in Nevada. That's your day. Okay, you're done with that. So I'm going to go ahead and post this. I'm going to find those links and you'll have all that in just a few minutes. And if you ever need any help, Dojo me and I can call you and I can talk you through it, or I can set up a Zoom meeting for us. So you can show me what you have and I can say, oh, you need to do this or you need to do that. Or if you just say, Miss Ugaldi, I'm totally confused. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. We can talk it through. Okay. So good luck. Remember, I just went through Monday. That's what I'm going to do. Tomorrow I'll give you Tuesday, and that's all you have to do. All right. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.